This J-Tops USA soft top boot in black is for those of you that have a two-door 2007 and up JK that has a soft top installed on it, that are looking for a way to protect that soft top when it's in the down position, as well as change up the look of your Jeep a little bit, finish it off by giving a nice neat and tidy appearance to that soft top when it is folded down. This is going to be a very easy soft top boot to install. Of course, it is designed to go on and off every time you put your top up and down, so it's going to attach with a couple of plastic buckles. Definitely a 1 out of 3 wrench installation and no tools necessary, but we'll talk more about that in just a second. Now, if you fold your soft top down the proper way, the way that the manual tells you to, it will fold up fairly small into that trunk space and look fairly neat. But if you're looking to keep dust and moisture off the top, and like I said, even finish and tidy up the appearance of your Jeep that much more, going with a boot is an excellent idea. And if you want something that is very, very high quality, something that's going to last a very long time, you're gonna be using this, it's gonna be out in the weather, and you want something that's gonna hold up and you have the budget for it, I definitely recommend going with this option over any of the other ones out there. J-Tops USA makes some of the highest quality components that you can find, whether you're talking about a soft top boot, a safari top, or a bikini top, or one of the many other options from J-Tops USA. They make incredibly high quality stuff. You are gonna pay a little bit of a premium for it, but if you're going to be using this year in, year out, you want something that's going to hold up, I definitely recommend this option. All of that quality comes from the construction, both the materials and the construction process. As far as the materials go, everything is going to be UV resistant all the way down to the thread. I'm sure you've had things that are made of canvas or other materials where the thread deteriorates before the rest of everything else does, and it just starts literally coming apart at the seams. That is not going to be the case with this piece from J-Tops USA. Everything is stitched around the corners, so you're never going to have any type of fraying. On the end here you have neoprene material, so as you're stretching this over top of your soft top when it's in that down position, everything's going to fit nice and tightly, and you're going to be able to stretch it over. It has that little bit of a give to it. The buckles here are going to be plastic, they're going to be adjustable, they're going to hold up well again, even in the sun. They're not going to get brittle, they're not going to break on you. Everything is just the highest of quality materials and construction, so this is going to hold up well. Like I said, you're going to pay a little bit more for this. You're going to pay a premium for this quality, but if you're looking for something that's going to last, I think this is going to be a really nice choice. For the installation, again, 1 out of 3 wrenches, probably no more than 5 minutes or so. The first time you do this, it might take you a couple of additional minutes, but once you have everything adjusted, it's going to go very, very quickly every time after that. All you have to do is fold that soft top into the down position, stretch the boot over top of that soft top. You want to loosen up the buckles so that you can stretch them around the top, and then once they're actually buckled, pull the straps nice and tight. This soft top boot's going to run you around $120, which is going to be more expensive than the least expensive ones you can find. Like I said before, if you're going to be using this year in, year out, you want to get some good life out of it, I would recommend spending a little bit more and getting something high quality like this one from J-Tops USA. If you're just going to be using it a couple times a year, you don't expect it to last, you don't need it to last, and you want to save some money, there are definitely some less expensive options out there, but don't expect them to be the incredibly high quality that you're going to get from this piece. So if you're looking for a very high quality soft top boot for your two-door JK, I definitely recommend this one from J-Tops USA, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.